Summer breeze came from the sea. Nighttime dances, colored pills. Morning sex under the tree. All in all, it was my fault. Don't you see I'm feeling blue? But he believes in oil and gold, while I believe in you.
Vaptio Palo Starter Kit AIO built-in 1500 mAh battery with vape pen 0.6, 1.3 ohm dual core with LED indicator electronic cigarette. Feature 1. All-in-one design, easier to use 2. Top airflow, Favorful and leak-proof 3. Capable of MTL and Shallow DL 4. Compact and portable 5. Convenient top filling. Packing list. 1. 1x PALO 2. 1x PALO A1 Coil 0.6, 3. 1x PALO A2 Coil 1.2, 4. 1x Glass Tube 5. 1x User Manual. Specifications. Brand name, Vaptio. Firmware upgradable, no. Type, with battery. USB charger, yes. Display screen, no. Nominal capacity, 1500 mAh. Silicone case, no. Model number, AIO Vaptio Palo Kit. TCR adjustment modes, yes. Atomizers identification function, no. Overheating protection function, yes. Appearance, box shape. Temperature control, no. Monitoring function of smoking number, no. Compatible model, 510 thread. Compatible battery, none. Material, metal. Short circuit protection function, yes. Built-in or external battery, built-in. Low voltage alarm function, yes. Tank capacity, 2.0 milliliters, top filling. Size, 19*124.3 millimeters. Battery, 1500 mAh built-in battery. Resistance range, 0.6, 1.2. Wattage, 23 W max. Thread, 510. Mod material, aluminum alloy plus ABS. Charging, 5 volts, 1A. PALO A1 Coil, 0.6 ohm SS316L 18W23W. PALO A2 Coil, 1.2 ohm SS316L 8W12W. Warranty, 90 days global return. Price, $27.63 60-day buyer protection money-back guarantee. Check description for buying link. Thanks for watching.